Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change by default port of Jenkins on both Windows and Linux. By default Jenkins runs on port 8080, but sometime you may need to change it due to port conflicts or security reasons. I will guide you step by step, so make sure to watch till end. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more DevOps tutorial. Now let's get started. In step 1, we will check current port defined in Jenkins. To check this, go to your browser and type 127.0.0.1.8080. If this URL works on your system, means Jenkins is currently installed and it is working fine on port 8080. Now we will locate Jenkins directory. In Windows, Jenkins is installed on C drive, program files, under Jenkins folder. You can see this is the installed path of Jenkins. Here we have configuration file jenkins.xml. Jenkins.xml contain all the necessary information to run Jenkins. If you open this file, you can see executable and argument. In argument, you can see the HTTP port defined is 8080. Let's change the port. Currently it is 8080. We will make it 9090. Now save this XML file. Now if I reload my browser, changes is not reflecting because after making changes we have to restart JVM of Jenkins. In Windows, go to run, press Windows R and type services.msc to open the services window. In that, search for Jenkins. You can see Jenkins is running. We will click on restart. Now Jenkins is restarted. Now we will go to browser and check if port is updated or not. I will check on 8080. Yes, on 8080 it is not working. I will update the port 9090. Yes, as you can see now Jenkins ports has been changed. I will log in to verify it is working as expected. Yes, we have successful login on updated port. In the same way, we can perform the same on Linux environment. That is, open Jenkins configuration file, update the port, save the file and take the restart of Jenkins service and verify the port. As a bonus, I will show you how to change a port if you are using Jenkins using a WAR file. So locate your WAR file. Okay, suppose this is a WAR file I am running to run a Jenkins. Open command prompt and enter java -jar and name the WAR file. Now to run this, if I execute this WAR file as is, it will run Jenkins on 8080 by default port, but I will explicitly mention port here. For this you have to mention one parameter, that is HTTP port 9090. Okay, it is giving me error already in use because I have already configured the Jenkins on same port. I will make changes in port that let's say I want to run Jenkins on 9091 port. I will press enter. Yes, it is started. I will go on, copy this URL and make 9091. Okay. Yes, now Jenkins is working on 9091 port as we defined in our CLI. That's it guys, you have successfully changed Jenkins default port on both Windows and Linux. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more DevOps content. Let me know in the comment if you have any question or if you want to see more Jenkins tutorial. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.